Every time group writing comes up online, the comment section always the same. People are talking. I never writing with other people. Writing with other people, that means trouble. But here's what I found interesting. If group writing is really that dangerous, why does almost every writer end up doing it at the same point? Sometimes even the ones who say they never will. I'm not saying those comments are wrong. A lot of accidents do happen in group writes, and some of them are completely avoidable. But this video is not about whether you should or shouldn't write in a group. It's about something more subtle, something most writers don't notice until much later. How your behavior changes the moment you are not writing alone anymore. Group writes almost always get faster, even if everyone starts out saying, let's take it easy, because at some point, someone naturally sets the pace. And once that happens, everyone else starts adjusting without even thinking about it. Not because anyone planned it, but because nobody wants to fall behind. And suddenly, without any real decision being made, the whole group is going faster than anyone intended. When things start feeling too fast, most people don't say anything because saying this is too fast in a group feels like admitting you are the weak link. So people stay quiet and the group keeps going, even if not everyone feels comfortable with the pace. But this silence goes beyond speed. When you are riding alone and something feels off, your mind is somewhere else, your body isn't right, you just stop. No explanation needed. In a group, that same feeling gets ignored. You keep going, carrying a risk that only you know about. But here's the part that really matters. It's not the speed. It's not the distance. It's the fact that your judgment starts adjusting to the group. What feels normal is no longer based on you. It's based on everyone around you. And that's a shift you don't notice while it's happening. I'm not saying don't ride with others. Some of my best moments on a motorcycle have been with friends. But before your next group ride, there's one question worth asking yourself. Once you are out there, will you still be riding like yourself?